Hi, Charbax. Welcome to visit us.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Abby from Geniatech.
And here at the Embedded World 2026, you're showing zero-cost LLM. It's really interesting, right?
Yeah, it's interesting. Actually, we are compared with a GPU-based Edge AI, so it's really kind of marginal cost reduce.
Because on this little box, it's running a full AI solution with a 7 billion parameter, 8 billion parameter maybe.
Yeah, let me introduce what we are doing and with what we are offering. You can see that we just only focus on the ARM-based devices and associated with the software development, especially the BSP, the color level. And you can see that we are offering the AI models, the SBCs, SOM, gateway, and ePaper. Our service is including the hardware customization and the value-added service, including the SDK, API associated with the technical support, timely. We are the manufacturer as well. We have our own factory. Like to say that the operating system have not, especially for the tourism. It's new for us. We involved, and Linux is our mainstreaming. For the multiple SoCs, you can see that all of them are ARM-based. The Rockchip, NXP, the Geniatech, and especially that now we're offering the AI accelerator module. This is the Kinara M.2, and this is the DeepX.
And so with this little the accelerators, you can get these all these boards to get very high AI performance.
Exactly. Actually, we have the software development to do the optimization, and we even can do the algorithm, the large language model. We're doing the quantization and the compression to make it run our ARM devices, and there is no network connection and no cloud, the safety.
Like for example, this one.
Yeah.
This one is, what is this?
Well, it's NXP based, it's i.MX9 series, ARM based with a Kinara embedded.
And now I can see there's someone present, and there's two people, and the age, I'm less than 40, that's great. And it's just automatically doing this on the edge. That's just an example.
Yep.
There's so much potential.
Yes, actually, this is the demonstration we're making. We deployed the QN. It's a Chinese. It's quite popular LLM. So we deploy this LLM on our ARM-based devices, and we preset some special dedicated application scenarios like digital signage, vending machine, and also we preset some key questions related. Then the camera with their box is capturing the selections timely and doing the inference every 4 seconds.
Nice. And this one is in there? Mm-hmm. Is this one inside?
Yeah, exactly. That's the one we have.
How good is
mounted.
this? Is it possible to have more than one also? And you have like 4 in there.
Yeah, it's very good. It's very benefit for the large language model and the video language model. You don't need to use the big, the huge tops. And we can deploy the data, the reasoner on the device directly.
And so there's 16 GB maybe?
Yeah, it's 16 gigabytes
on each stick.
Yes.
And if you put 4 together, that's 4 times 16.
Yeah, exactly.
That's 64 maybe.
Yeah.
And then you can have more and more bigger, and together with the RAM also on, for example, if you put it together with an NXP solution, or you might put it together, even can work together with Rockchip, right?
Yeah, we already have the similar thing, the Hailo on the Rockchip RK3588. We already finished the driver porting.
Is it this
those.
one? That's a Hailo?
That's a Hailo.
Hailo there.
And both of them can support it.
Nice. So you integrate the Hailo together with the Rockchip
Yeah.
to get a super nice performance together.
Yes, exactly.
And these are also some AI accelerators.
Inside.
Nice. What do we see here?
Well,
What are these?
this system module, we have different standards from Smart, OSM. It's based on different SoCs. Like you can see the NXP, i.MX95, also the Qualcomm and Renesas, MediaTek.
Nice. So it's all the latest solutions. You're very quick to have solution for them, huh?
Yeah. Actually, we can help customer to do the carrier board design and produce. We also can help customer to design their own carrier board.
Nice. And this is a high performance Edge AI board. This one also?
Yes, we have this is a Rockchip based. It with high tops, like with a different AI accelerator module, then you get the different tops.
Nice.
But it's for Hailo, it's better for CNN. I mean the model. But for Kinara, it's better for the LLM.
Nice. It's really interesting what they're doing.
Yeah. One more thing is that we are since we already finished the system integration and the driver porting. So basically, we can send the toolchain for customer to do the conversion and invoke our NPU API to do the inference by training and create their own model, then run our ARM on device.
And over here, you mentioned that in the ecosystem there are AI models, but I wonder how much Geniatech is even able to customize the model to really use the hardware to the maximum. You know, your engineers are working to tweak it, maybe working together with Quen or just taking open source, making it more and more optimized.
Yeah, actually, we for the LLM, we are doing the quantization and the compression only because it's an open source large language model. But what we're doing is help customer to do we are providing the ready hardware, including the kernel level software, which is stable, and then we give them toolchain and API so that they can work on their own model. And we will help them to troubleshoot if there is any issue when they are doing the deployment.
Nice. And there's some bigger one here, multi-RF gateway.
That gateway, industrial gateway for different use.
And this is a AI PC.
It's an AI PC as well.
And this is also NXP i.MX95.
Yeah.
With an accelerator.
Correct.
Built in, included.
Yeah.
And now we get to the e-ink, to the ePaper solutions, right?
Yeah. So we have different niches and different technology. We are different from the traditional e-ink paper supplier because we already solved the biggest headache like slow refresh rate and the alloy flickering. So we are making the hardware and software both. So you can see we have different applications adapted. This one is a bus stop. You can see that we only have one single board computer based on Rockchip, but we can drive 3 different 13-inch ePaper, and the refresh rate is quite fast. And we can even refresh 7 pictures per second.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's very nice. What is this one?
And it's one more thing is that it can support like minus 10 to 60 degrees.
So you can have one color map, then you can have one black and white,
and arrival,
and another black and white.
Yeah, arrival message, arrival
combined
information.
as best.
Yes, and this is a new technology. It's a class 3. It's a CH LCD. It's a ablation. And you can see the color is vibrant, and you don't need to do any. It's a new technology that you don't need any color filter, and the refresh rate is it's like 2 or 3 seconds per frame.
Can
And
we have a
it's-
look at the frame change? How often it will change now?
You can just wait a little bit.
Yeah.
And
Okay, let's
one more thing is with this technology, you can. It's very special. I would say it's bistable. Like when there is no refresh, it doesn't consume the power. So
It's a bistable,
it's
CH
energy
LCD,
efficiency
full
very
color.
well.
Basically, you can control every pixel, every color.
Yeah. Yes. And,
And it says here?
the operating temperature is minus 30.
Minus 75.
It's quite wide. That's
So they
for outdoor signage and transit
Plus 75.
application.
So that means you can start from very, very cold to very hot countries, no problem.
Yeah. Yep.
This is ePaper video also.
Yeah. And this is a Spectaria 6. It's kind of ePaper, traditional ePaper. But what we are doing for this is Geniatech created our own TCON, time controller board. With software optimization, we can really make refresh rates faster than others. That's our technology. We call it Magica Flex.
Nice. Magica Flex.
Yep.
That
you can
is
see how
cool.
fast it is.
Wow, and it's very vibrant. Nice
Yeah.
colors. So a lot of developments in custom ePaper solutions, and your customers are very happy with what you're doing.
Definitely, we are quite flexible, and we're happy to do any customization for our customer according to their specific needs.
Nice. I wish there was a button so we can switch. I want to see it switch, this one.
Okay, just a moment.
Maybe we can find it.
It's online.
Through a cloud system, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe. It's okay.
Yeah.
And here we say, here there was more. 10-inch ePaper photo frame.
Yeah, it's a no night. It's a micro night energy charging. So it can capture power from indoor.
So the solar on this way here.
Yes. So it can be capturing the power from indoor ambient
So it worked forever.
light. Yeah.
Yeah. This one is a 13.3-inch signage.
Yeah.
Nice display. Also with the solar here. Is that solar?
Yeah, it's solar. It's
Also
solar
solar.
technology. Yeah.
Nice. And you get the
And
little...
we have a different inches for price tag, for education, some advertisements, and so on.
Nice. So for you, it's been interesting, the embedded world. Many discussions you had?
Yes, we're quite busy actually, since we have such kind of technology and products. You can see our products is the range, the portfolio is quite broad. So
Nice.
I think our customer can, that's a partial reflection.
Nice.
Yeah, we got a lot of inquiries from our customers for embedded business.